We have a while loop. Okay, while loop is true until that condition is true. Okay, so while loop will keep running that loop until the condition that you have given is true. See, for loop was running for a set of values. Okay, for loop is for set of values, while your while loop will run only till the condition is true. So how it works? So I have a sample script already for the other session. So see what I am doing here. I am saying my a value is 0, a variable a is there, the value is 0, right? And while this a value is equal to 5, it will keep testing, it will keep printing this line. But if that is not true, it will not print. Okay, so if I say, if I just run this script, see, it will not do anything because a value I have assigned as 0, whereas I am testing it against 5, so it will never go inside this script, right? So let me show you like this. So if I just do vi, now if I just go here 5 x, okay, and I will remove this break also. Okay, so now you just see I have defined a equal to 5, and while your value of a is equal to 5, this loop will keep running. Okay, so if I just say here and if I run it, you see it will keep executing, it will never come out because my value of a is hard coded to 5 and 5 is always equal to 5. It will never become false, right? It is not going to become false anytime in future, right? So it will be an infinite loop that will keep executing. See, it will never come out, it will keep executing the same. I have to press Ctrl C to come out of it. So that's why I use a break. Okay, so that's why I use a break command here. Break, what it will do, it will say okay, while loop is running, so same way break will work same way in any loop, that it will break the loop and come out of that loop. So if it is do done, so it will come out of done, so again the while loop will not be executed. So if I execute this, so it will only print me once because I have given break. So it said okay, a equal to 5, so 5 equal to 5, which is true, it will go inside the while loop, start executing. But as soon as it executes once, it says okay, we have a break here. Now that okay, if it was tested fine, so it said okay, it has tested fine, and it will say to break the while loop and come out of that loop. Clear? So if I write anything outside that loop, echo the loop was breaked. Okay, see, the loop was breaked and it came out of that loop. Clear? But if I don't put break, it will never come out of it. So you have to check the condition based on a specified condition. Okay, so while is mostly used in many times in menu based script also, when you are working with case and menu based script, that okay, until you are not putting any specified value, it will keep displaying the same thing. Okay, it will keep displaying the same options. Clear? So let me show you something like this. So I will say I'm echo enter your option. So until a is not equal to 5. Okay, so I will say mostly if I want to use any option, that okay, if that option is true, then only it should do. So you can read any value. I will do it here. Read a. Okay, so now if I'm see, I have already commented the breaks. So now if I just execute, it will ask you what is an option. I will say 5. So see, it will start executing the loop and it will keep executing that loop until it finishes, but it will never finish because we have given the value of a as 5. So it is never going to come out. Clear? So I have to cancel that. So while loop will keep executing until that condition is true. So opposite to while is until. Okay. Now what until does? Okay, until is also same thing, but it will be the opposite. It will only execute the condition if that is not equal. So it will say until a becomes equal to 10. Keep executing this loop. It is the vice versa. So in the same example, if I show you, I have given earlier 5, right? So if I give insert 5, I am taking the same example as while 5. So I am saying if a is equal to 5, so what it will do? It will not go inside the loop. See, it has not gone inside the loop. Why? Because it will only go inside the loop when this condition is not true. So whatever it's written, when it's negative, then only it will go inside this. Okay, so let's say if I just say echo outside until. So I will say, let's say my value is now something other than 10, other than 5. So see, I am using here a equal to 10. Now what will happen to this? Can you tell me? Yes, it will never satisfy the condition. It will never come out because a will not become 5 anytime, because I have hard coded a equal to 3 and then I am changing the value to 10. So I am never going ahead and coming out of this loop. So what it will do? It will again become an infinite loop here. See, it will keep doing until testing, until testing. Clear? I will say Control C. Okay. But here if I am just doing insert 5, so now I am initializing the value of variable a as 3. I am then checking, okay, a is not equal to 3, then it will go inside this. And then it will say, okay, a equal to 5. So now when I am running, so it went inside the until loop. It said, okay, because the first time a was not equal to 5, so it went inside it, printed the value until testing. Then it said, okay, now it has made the value a equal to 5. So as soon as it made the value a equal to 5, it cancelled the loop. It cancelled the loop, came out and came outside the until loop. Clear?